In the heart of Scotland, where the heather grows, there's a story of a man whom everybody knows. Willie Hogg, he's talked the talk of the town. When election day came, we all gathered around. With a heart of a lion and a vision so grand, he promised us change, oh, he took a stand. Through the hills and the valleys his name rang loud, a promise to serve, to make us proud. Willie Hogg, the man we voted for, now he's our counsel, we're ready for more. With passion and courage he's leading the way, the land of the brave in the light of the day. From Glasgow to Edinburgh they sing his praise. Willie Hogg, our beacon through the foggy days. We walk through our streets, meeting every face, listening to our worries, never in a haste. From farmers to families, he knew their plight, fighting for justice, bringing hope to the night. He speaks of our future, of dreams not yet dreamt. With Willie on our side, our voices represent. Together we gather, united as one. We're working along till the battles are won. Willie Hogg, the man we voted for, now he's our counselor, we're ready for more. With passion and courage he's leading the way, in the land of the brave, in the light of the day. From the Isles to the Highlands his legend will grow. Willie Hogg is the name that everyone knows. With blue skies above and the tartan below, we stand hand in hand, letting our spirits flow. On the victories won and the fight still ahead, we trust in Willie where our hearts have led. He's dreaming for Scotland with pride in his chest. With Willie Hogg we believe in the best. Now the council chambers where the decisions are made, Willie leads with honor and he's not afraid. For the roads that need mending and the schools that need care, he tackles each problem with love fierce and fair. So let's raise a glass to the man of the hour. Our hopes and our dreams in his hands they flower. From the misty moors to the skyline tall, Willie Hogg is the man, he's given his all. So let's sing for Willie, let our voices soar. For the man we believe in forever will roar. In the spirit of Scotland we honor